conservation of mechanical energy. So this is a continuation of the previous session that we discussed about the potential energy. So potential energy na enna sonna, so it is a stored energy. Okay, so it is a stored energy. So in the potential energy concept edoda relate panna, I related it with the spring system. So this spring system is stable vechittu, I moved it and then I compressed it. That is, expansion is applied and a compression is applied. Okay, finally I derived the work done for the spring system. Okay, what is the work done and how the work done is related to the this potential energy. Okay, so the expression for this work done is given by, the work done for this system is the potential energy. So potential energy I will write here, potential energy V equal to kx square by 2. So this is the formula for the potential energy for this spring system that was previously discussed. So now when I differentiate this, on differentiating, you consider this is the equation of the potential energy. When I differentiate this with respect to x, d by dx of V, what do I get? That is d by dx of kx square by 2. So that is k by 2 into 2x. So what do I get is, that is kx. So the kx is, it is the previously what we discussed, kx is equal to the spring force. So it is well defined that the force is equal to the difference in potential energy. Okay, the force is equal to the difference in potential energy, or the potential energy stored in an object is manipulated in the form of a kinetic energy. So the kinetic energy is extended in the form of a force. அதாவது ஒரு ஸ்டோர் ஆன பொட்டன்ஷியல் எனர்ஜி எப்படி லூஸ் ஆகுது, ஒரு கைனடிக் எனர்ஜியா தான் lose ஆகுது. Okay, so now we will move into this concept. So you write down this here. I'll start from the first expression. The first expression is k v of x equal to kx square by 2. On differentiating dv of x by dx, and what do I get? I get k into 2 by 2x, so which is kx, and that is equal to fs. So now fs is related to d times v of x by dx. So there is a change in the potential at each and every point. Okay, over displacement layme enakku potential maarudu. Okay, so the force also changes. The force also changes when you take this spring. Okay, when I expand this mass, what happens at each and every point of this mass? Okay, at each and every point, this is x, at each and every point the mass is being displaced. Mass enna pandren, I am moving it. Okay, the mass is displaced, so the force, it is increasing, it is directly proportional. So the force is increasing, so that is given by this. So as a mechanical system, what is the energy? So in a mechanical system, the energy is conserved. That is, the total energy is equal to the potential energy plus the kinetic energy. So as in a mechanical system, total energy is equal to potential energy plus kinetic energy. Potential energy plus kinetic energy. Now I will write the expression, you listen. So what is the energy? So the potential energy, the maximum energy when you get or an object expand பண்ண spring la, the maximum energy I get is of kxm square. The maximum potential. So final point la enna irukku or rest ஆயிருக்கு. Okay, the object is at rest at the final point. This is xm. At this point the blocks comes to rest, but the force is heavy. The force is small. At this point the block has its own potential energy. That is, in the point energy rested. Okay. So this point is equal to the potential energy at that point. So the potential energy. So inge iduvare travel aagudhu there is some potential. So the potential is varying at each and every point because I am moving the block. So the potential is varying at each and every point. Okay, plus the kinetic energy of mv square. Okay, so the total energy, the maximum energy is equal to the, okay, so the potential at each point plus the kinetic energy. And now what I have given is the speed and kinetic energy will be maximum at equilibrium position. So the speed and kinetic energy will be maximum. So at the maximum position, what will be there? Maximum means what? So what is the maximum position? This is the maximum position. When it reaches the maximum position, what is the value of the velocity? Okay, equilibrium. Okay, maximum position on another, it comes to rest. So that means the value of x is 0. The value of x is 0. Kinetic energy. When does the energy will be, mechanical energy will be maximum? When this part it is 0. Okay. When this part is 0, this will be maximum. Okay. I will show it with the graph. Only then you can understand. So I will make a graph for this. So this is the energy E equal to K plus V. So this is energy. So minus xm plus xm. So this is K and this is V. So listen carefully. If a maximum value at the maximum point in the positive side, what is the kinetic? This is a graph or parabolic graph. Okay, parabolic graph for the kinetic energy and the potential energy. V refers to the potential energy and it is capital V. So kinetic energy potential energy compare பண்ணி பாருங்க. So the maximum இருக்கும்போது maximum distance ல potential energy என்ன, kinetic energy என்ன. So you check. So the graph என்ன, K ஓட value 0 ஆயிடும். Kinetic energy என்ன, அது வந்து ஸ்டாப் ஆயிடும். ஓகே அங்க ஸ்டாப் பண்ணோனே என்ன ஆகுது அந்த இடத்துல மேக்ஸிமம் பொட்டன்ஷியல் இருக்கு that is a maximum potential on the block ஏனா அதுல ஒரு ஃபோர்ஸ் ஆக்ட் ஆயிட்டு இருக்கு சோ அப்ப பொட்டன்ஷியலோட வேல்யூ என்ன இருக்கும் ஹெவியா இருக்கும் that is a potential the potential of the block will be more but the block is not moving so the kinetic energy is zero okay at this point now that is when the energy is more when the energy is more when x equal to 0 x or value 0 ஆகும்போது okay when x equal to more the kinetic energy is maximum when x equal to 0 the kinetic energy is maximum that is when x or value 0 ஆகும்போது kinetic energy என்ன ஆகும் I am leaving the spring from the maximum value plus x ல இருந்து என்ன பண்றேன் லீவ் பண்றேன் ஓகே அப்ப என்ன ஆகுது it is crossing x equal to 0 okay when it is crossing x equal to 0 the kinetic energy will be maximum after crossing it has to compress the spring அப்ப என்ன ஆகும் kinetic energy கம்மியாகும் ஓகே சோ அப்ப இந்த ஸ்ப்ரிங் டயகிராம் வச்சே சொல்றேன் உங்களுக்கு புரியும் this is x equal to 0 this is xm this is minus xm this is plus xm listen students so now I am holding this here when I leave this what happens after this point until this point this will be traveling with heavy speed after this the spring comes to normal position the block comes to neutral position after this what has to do in the block என்ன பண்ணும் அந்த kinetic energy நால அந்த spring என்ன பண்ணும் compress பண்ணும் okay the block should compress the spring by overcome the spring constant spring ஓட force-ஐயும் தாண்டி என்ன பண்ணும் the block ஓட kinetic energy spring-ஐ compress பண்ணும் அப்ப வந்த spring என்ன பண்ணாது compress பண்ணாது ஏனா spring-க்குன்னு ஒரு ஸ்ப்ரிங் ஃபோர்ஸ் ஒன்னு இருக்கு அப்ப ஸ்ப்ரிங் கம்ப்ரஸ் பண்ணும்போது என்ன பண்ணும் ஸ்ப்ரிங்கும் ரிஃப்ளெக்ட் பண்ணும் அதனால என்ன ஆகும் இந்த பிளாக்கோட ஸ்பீடு கம்மியாகும் அப்ப இந்த மேக்ஸிமம் பாயிண்ட்ல 0 பாயிண்ட்ல வரும்போது என்ன இருக்கும் கைனடிக் எனர்ஜி அதிகமா இருக்கும் 0 தாண்டினோடனே இது கம்ப்ரஸ் பண்ண ஆரம்பிச்சிடும் பிளாக் வந்து கம்ப்ரஸ் பண்ண அதனால கம்ப்ரஸ் பண்ண ஆரம்பிக்கும்போது என்ன ஆகும் இந்த எனர்ஜி கைனடிக் எனர்ஜி கிராஃப் வந்து kங்கிறது கைனடிக் எனர்ஜி ஓகே அப்ப கைனடிக் எனர்ஜி என்ன ஆகுது கம்மியாயிட்டே வருது அப்ப -xm பண்ணோடனே கைனடிக் எனர்ஜி on the point நின்னுடுது the block stops the wooden block stops at this point okay so at this point the kinetic energy is 0 then the complete compression வந்து ஸ்ப்ரிங்ல இருக்கு ஸ்ப்ரிங் என்ன ஆகுது இப்ப நல்லா கம்ப்ரஸ் ஆயிருக்கு அதனால ஸ்ப்ரிங் ஃபோர்ஸ் எல்லாமே எதுல ஆக்ட் ஆகும் அந்த பிளாக்ல ஆக்ட் ஆகும் அப்ப ஸ்டேபிளா இருக்க ஒரு wooden blockல அந்த ஸ்ப்ரிங் ஃபோர்ஸ் ஆக்ட் ஆகுறனால அதோட அந்த இடத்துல அதோட பொட்டன்ஷியல் வந்து ஹெவியா இருக்கும் okay I repeat at the maximum compression the block comes to rest and it is ready to move so due to the compression the entire compression force acts on the wooden block so due to the compression force the force acts on the wooden block and now the potential on the I repeat the potential on the wooden block is very maximum so the maximum potential energy is at here so the kinetic energy and potential energy is balanced when this is low that is maximum and that is maximum this is low okay so you see when kinetic energy is maximum the potential energy is 0 okay here students the potential energy is 0 so block force spring neutral இருக்கிற இடத்துல potential energy கிடையாது இது இருக்குதா அது மூவ் பண்ணல so there is no potential energy clear so as per this at equilibrium position so at equilibrium position at so when x equal to 0 so this part will get cancelled so half k xm square equal to half mv square. On rewriting this, what do I get? I get Vm square, Vm equal to square root of k by m into xm. That is the velocity. This is not potential energy, students. Please don't get confused. This is the velocity. Okay? The velocity with which the object moves. And now, இதுல உங்களுக்கு இன்னொரு கொடுத்திருக்காங்க, the dimension கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. அது என்னன்னு சொல்லிடுங்க. The dimension k by m has the dimension. This k by m is the k is the spring constant. M is the mass of the wooden block. Okay? The dimension of this is dimension போட்டு என்ன கொடுத்திருக்காங்க? Dimension of k by m is e power minus 2. I will prove how you apply this. Dimension of k by m, k is a spring constant, m is a mass. How did we get this e power t? Nale time ka measure pannadhu. It means that t means it is the time. How do we get? Okay, let us check. So what is the expression here? So v is the velocity, x is the displacement. So how the velocity and displacement is related? Let us check. So what is acceleration? Acceleration is, so wait here, force equal to velocity is what? What is velocity? Velocity is displacement by time. Velocity is displacement by time. Okay? So displacement is what? xm by t, time. And I do have here square root of k by m, xm. So xm cancel. Okay? And now when I square on both sides, what do I get? 1 by t square equal to k by m. So then obviously what do I get is t power minus 2. Listen, okay? So this is velocity is displacement by time. Xm is the displacement. So xm by t. So when I square on both sides, so xm is common on both sides, I get cancelled. Then 1 by t equal to square root of k by m. So 1 by t square equal to k by m. So t power minus 2. That is the dimension of k by m. So you pause the video, students, and make a note of this. So here from the graph we apply that the total mechanical energy is constant. That is, the total mechanical energy is equal to kinetic energy plus the potential energy. So I will erase it and I will explain it with a problem. So I will discuss an example problem that we have in your book. So I will read the problem, listen carefully. To simulate car accidents, auto manufacturers study the collisions of moving cars. So you can take your book with you. To simulate car accidents, auto manufacturers study the collisions of moving cars with mounted springs of different spring constants. So what is this? This is quite a different one. என்னன்னா car accidents வந்து கம்மி பண்றதுக்கு auto manufacturers study the collisions. Consider a typical simulation with a car of mass 1000 kg moving with a speed. So என்ன கொடுத்திருக்காங்கன்னா horizontal spring கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. vertical இல்ல spring எல்லாமே என்னது horizontal spring. spring கீழ வைக்கல ஃப்ரண்ட்ல வச்சிருக்காங்க. ஓகே ஃப்ரண்ட்ல சைடுல. So if you consider a car, for example I will draw a 3D car. So you consider here so spring is given in a car. Car la enna panniranga spring ulla insert panniranga. Somewhere similarly on the back side. So this front side you have a spring. A spring system is introduced in the horizontal direction. Okay, a spring system is introduced in the horizontal direction. அப்ப ஒரு horizontal direction இருக்கும்போது spring போய் நேரா அடிச்சா வண்டி வைப்ரேட் தான் ஆகும். ஃபுல்லா என்ன ஆகும்? கொலாப்ஸ் ஆகாது. The vehicle will not get collapsed if it hits the another vehicle. Okay. So I'll read it. Consider a typical simulation with a car of mass 1000 kg. So given a car mass is 1000 kg. Okay. So just for fun I have drawn this. Better you can draw a very good curve than me. You just consider this. So where the spring may be drawn. Moving with a speed. So the speed of the car is given. The speed is, what is the speed? That is 18 kilometers per hour. So this is the speed on a smooth road and colliding with the car is moving the smooth road and colliding with horizontally mounted spring constant. So this car is moving on a smooth road. Okay. And it has a horizontally mounted spring. The main thing is the spring is horizontally mounted. Spring constant is what? K equal to 6.25 into 10 power 10 raised to 3 Newton per meter. So you see how much the spring constant is. So much of force it can withhold. So much of force this spring constant means so much of force can this spring withstand. What is the maximum compression of the spring? We have to find what is the maximum compression of the spring. So you find what is the maximum compression of the spring. Now, so we know the constraint. The car is moving with some speed. Okay, it has a mass then the spring constant is given. The spring is mounted in the horizontal direction. Okay, so wherever the car hits any other car, the spring is compressed. So the spring may arrest the vibration. So car by இன்னொரு car இடிச்சுனா காருக்கு முன்னாடி இருக்கிற அந்த ஸ்ப்ரிங் என்ன பண்ணும், அந்த வைப்ரேஷன் அரெஸ்ட் பண்ணிடும். ஓகே, காருக்குள்ள அவ்வளவு வைப்ரேட் ஆகாது, கார் காப்பாத்துது. So that is the thing. So what is the maximum compression of the spring? So let us check. So I will go on to the solution. At maximum compression, the kinetic energy of the car is entirely converted into potential energy. அப்ப போய் dash பண்ணோனே, if the car moves and dash hits another car, ஒரு ஆக்சிடென்ட் ஆகுது, ஒரு கார் போய் ஹிட் பண்ணுதுன்னா அதோட kinetic energy என்ன, அது அப்படியே potential energy-ஆ கன்வெர்ட் ஆயிடும். So let us first check what is the kinetic energy of the car. So the kinetic energy of the car. What is the kinetic energy of the car? Half m v square. Okay, what is the velocity here? 18 kilometers per hour. So which is equal to 5 meters per second. I have converted the equal value. 18 kilometers per hour is equal to 5 meters per second. Clear? Now, so kinetic energy is equal to half mass is 1000 into 5 square. The final value that I get is kinetic energy is equal to 1.25 into 10 power 4 joules. So this is the kinetic energy of the car. Now I have to find the potential energy. Okay, so this amount of kinetic energy is converted into potential energy when the spring is compressed. இப்போ இந்த கார் போய் எதுமேல ஹிட் பண்ணதுக்கு அப்புறம் அந்த ஸ்ப்ரிங் என்னாவது கம்ப்ரஸ் ஆகுது. ஒரு கைனடிக் எனர்ஜியோட அந்த கார் மூவ் ஆகி if it hit any other vehicle, the spring gets compressed. Okay, so the kinetic energy of the car is converted into a potential energy. The entire spring has some get arrested. Okay, so this we have to find the, due to the conservation of principle, the potential energy. So potential energy, what is the formula? V equal to kx square by 2. So kxm square by 2. Now so due to the, since the system is in equilibrium, எடுத்தோட என்ன ஆகுது, kinetic energy அப்படியே potential energy-ஆ மாறிடுது. So here K equal to potential energy. After hitting the kinetic energy directly converted into potential energy due to the spring. All the energy is stored in the spring. Okay, so the kinetic energy value you can relate it to potential energy. Kinetic energy irundha appo enna aagudhu, potential energy ah maaridu, spring la poi arrest aagudhu. Appa what is potential energy? V equal to K. So now what is value of V? V equal to 1.25 into 10 power 4 joules. So now I will substitute here 1.25 into 10 power 4 is equal to, what is the value of K? K is 6.25 into 10 raised to 3 divided by, what is the value of, into xm square. So I do want to find the value of xm. So the value of xm is, the final value of xm is 2.2 meters. Okay, exactly it is 2 meters. So this answer has certain theory behind this. This question is a very nice question and you can very easily understand the concept. என்னன்னா ஒரு கைனடிக் எனர்ஜி பொட்டன்ஷியல் எனர்ஜியை கன்வெர்ட் ஆனோனே what is the logic அந்த x ங்கிறது என்னது that is the maximum displacement. Okay, I will tell the theory. Know that we have idealized situation. The spring is considered to be massless. Spring oda mass consider பண்ண வேண்டாம். Okay, the next one is the surface has been considered to possess negligible friction. So here we don't consider the mass of the spring, the surface friction. Then what are other parameters that affect it? So we conclude that this section by making few remarks on conservative forces. Conservative forces ni ஏன் சொல்றேன்னா kinetic energy அப்படி potential energy மாறிடுச்சு. So force energy எங்கேயுமே லாஸ் ஆகுது. So one form of energy is transferred to other form. So information on time is absent from the above discussions. In the example considered, we can calculate compression, but not the time over which the compression. So here we cannot calculate the time. We just make the calculation how far the potential energy is. The next one, not all forces are conservative. All forces are conservative. I friction concept is I didn't introduce any friction concept. Actually, this is an open question. Yes, small standard question. How far to introduce the conservation? Conservation na enna appdi solradhukku dhaan indha oru question use panikalam. Next, the zero of the potential energy is arbitrary. So potential energy is zero ங்கிறது maximum irukadu. It is set according to convenience. So unstretched string is also a zero potential. Na stretch பண்ண என்னடா அதுக்கு என்னது zero potential தான் சொல்ல முடியும். And that's all students about this problem. So please, I'll move from the board, copy this concept. Copy the problem well. You try to do the